Hi, in this video I will show you how to change your phone number on the PayPal. So the process is pretty simple. If your old number is missed from you or you change the number, you can simply change your phone number on the PayPal. So first of all, you have to open your browser and search for the paypal.com, and once you will do it, now you have to log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you will see screen like this. After that, you have to click on the settings from here and you will see page like this. Now scroll down and search for the numbers here. Simply you have to click on the add new number, and here you have to enter the number and then select the category work, home, etc. And now scroll down and click on the add number. So once you will click on the add number, your new primary number will be added on your PayPal. So if you want to change your number on the PayPal, you can simply follow these steps. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.